Would you believe if I tell you that I created a complete book in just 30 minutes? First, let me show you the book here. So this is the book that I have created here, and this is all the chapter covered in this book. So look at the length. This is in the complete detailed information with the engaging subtopics and the titles covered in the book. So this is the book I have created with the help of AI in just 30 minutes here. And the best part, it takes only the few minimal efforts and the time from my side. But still, I need to take and give my time to polish this book here. So let me show you how I created this book. So I use FirstBook AI right now, back again on the AppSumo with the LTD. So if you are the previous user and want to upgrade or buy a new account, this is the right chance to get the FirstBook AI here. So let me go to the plans and features, and you will see this time they have also a new plan added, that is the tier 4. And in the tier 4 plan, previously we can only get to the one-time book credit here. Means for the 1 tier plan we can only create the 1 book, okay? And if you have the tier 2, we can create the 3 books. If you have the tier 3, this is the 10 books limits for the one time. Means the 10 books you have created in your plan, then you cannot create the more books. You have to buy the higher credits or the more plans in your account here. But now they have added the tier 4 plan, and here you can create the 10 books per month. So this is the really affordable and the new plan they have added. Okay, so now let me show you how I have created this book. Okay, this was really pretty far, so let me slow a little bit and show you all the steps. Okay, so let me go to the dashboard here. Now let me show you how we are going to create the books using the FirstBook AI here. So this is the dashboard we are going to log in. Click here on the create new book, and here it is going to ask you the working book title. So I have used the ChatGPT to get the book title or the idea here. But if you have any topic or the title in your mind, simply add it here. Okay, so I'm going to use the title here. So where's the title? This is the title I have get with the ChatGPT. Now click here on the continue. After that, it is going to ask you the goal or the purpose of the book, whether it is the for educating people or guiding people or the inspiring. Okay, so I will go with the guidance. Click here on the continue. What is your target audience? Mine will be the entrepreneurs. Click here on the continue, and now it is asking you what the topic your book based on here. So make sure you get the brief information here to give its AI to understand your topic or the ideas here. Okay, so I want to help the people to optimize their Google business profile, so I have given the description of the book I want to generate. Click here on the continue, and after that it is asking you the key problems and the questions your book is going to solve for your audience here. So I have also got this with the help of AI here. So I have, this is the information in the detail with the key and the pain points. Click on the continue. Now it is asking me detailed, do you want the book to be? It will be for the intermediate. Click here on the continue. Now the writing style will be the conversational. Click here on the continue, and now it will start generating the outline. So once the outline are generated, it is also going to update you on your email. Let me show you how it will look like here. So let me go to the emails. This is how you are also going to get the email notifications about that your outlines are generated. Let's back to the dashboard here and click here on the let's go. And now let me refresh the page because it is not appearing up here. Let me refresh, and yeah, you will be finding here. Okay, click here on the this book option. Now we can edit the outline and the titles here. Okay, so if you want to change something, you can do it here, but I don't want to change anything. So simply let's back here, click back again, and click here on the create book. Okay, now it will start generating the book for you. So you can see we have the AppSumo credit here. So simply we will click here on the spend 1 credit. Okay, so 1 credit means the 1 book it is going to generate for you. And starting from the tier 1 plan, we are only getting the 1 book creation option. So let me tell you the most simplest way. The simple tier 1 plan only give you the 1 book generation one time. Okay, so if you want to create the more books, you have to go with the higher plans on the AppSumo. Okay, so our book generation will be the start here. Click here on the continue your book, and let's click here on the finalize your book. And now you can see all the information will be the start generating here, and we can also give our custom prompts if we want something specific information on the any subtopic here. Okay, so let me go through till the end and click here on the save progress. Okay, and after that it will take few minutes to generate the fully book for you, so we have to wait until it's done, and once it is done I will show you what is the final result. And here are the results. This is the book completed. So it will show you the three formats in which you can download the book blueprint. We have the Google Docs, Words and the PDF here. So I have just used the Google Docs, and this is how it is going to open up with all the chapters and information. So let me tell you first, this is not the fully finished book. It is completed with the text information, but still you need to polish it with the few of your manual efforts and the time, although writing process is completed here. Okay, now we have to just find out the few things, remove the few things, and you can see this is just the blueprint. Okay, so right now you can see the length of the book is really good here. We have all the topics and the chapters covered here with the detailed information. Means we have to do some manual efforts while formatting the text here, adding the few images or graphics, and making basically the more suitable which we can launch and the publish here. Okay, so it will take around the 1 day or 2 day around to formatting the text and everything here, but our text writing process is done here. Okay, so basically this is the blueprint how you are going to see, and this is the PDF format that you can also download and preview. The same thing you can see here. Okay, so this is how you can use the FirstBook AI to creating or crafting your book here. Okay, now let me talk about the pricing, because this is the really complicated. Okay, because in the tier 1 plan or the tier 2 plan or the tier 3 plan, you are only getting the one time credit. Means you, once you have created the one book in the tier 2 or the 3 book in the tier 2 plan here, you cannot create more books here. Okay, so that's why I suggest go with at least the tier 4 plan, because this is the new plan they have added, and in this plan they have added the monthly limits for the books you can create every month here. For example, 10 books per month is the enough for you. Okay, every month you can create here. You don't have to go with the one time here, because this is what the lifetime access in the tier 4 plan as the monthly credits you are going to get. So you want to check it out, the FirstBook.ai, this lifetime deal here. The link will be given in the description. Plus I am also giving out my free bonuses. Make sure you also check them out. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.